In the world of the lithium battery industry, safety and reliability are the most important. A single-cell failure can have cascading effects, which is why effective insulation is critical. However, ensuring the integrity of this insulation layer is a significant challenge. Traditional inspection methods often fall short. The human eye simply can't detect the subtle defects that can compromise insulation performance. Bubbles, wrinkles, and other minute imperfections can remain hidden, leading to potential failures down the line. That's where SinceVision laser profilers come in. Our advanced 3D scanning technology provides a detailed, high-resolution inspection of the insulation material. We're not just looking at the surface, we're capturing the complete 3D profile. This technology allows us to identify those critical defects, the bubbles and wrinkles that are nearly impossible to see with the naked eye. We can pinpoint even the smallest flaw, ensuring that only perfect cells move forward in the production process. But it's not just about detection, it's about data. Our systems record every inspection, capturing both detailed 3D data and visual images. This creates a complete history of each cell, enabling full product traceability and accountability. And because the inspection is performed in real time, manufacturers can use this data to fine-tune their production processes immediately. This allows for rapid adjustments, minimizing waste, maximizing efficiency, and ultimately improving the quality and reliability of the final battery.